Hi gang, welcome to our new normal. I'd like to introduce you to our new Frontline Protection Kit. To start, the kit includes 200% natural portable sprays. And these are super convenient. They're only yours. You could take them anywhere you'd like. You can keep it in your pocket, your car, your purse, anywhere. After going into a grocery store or anywhere public, you can take off the lid, spray the soap about 4 to 5 times, and with little or no water you can rinse off and your germs will be completely gone. They come in 2 different scents. There's the lavender and then there's the pink grapefruit. They're both beautifully natural scents and you will love it. This is our soap stick. This is the second product in your Frontline Protection Kit. This is a hand sanitizer, and this can be used after any shopping center, after anywhere you've been. The gym, you just open it, give it a spray or 2, rub it together, and your germs are gone. Okay, then finally we have our 3 disposable masks that are now mandatory in all public places, and if not workplaces as well. Very important. It's important to get your Frontline Protection Kit. I got mine and I feel confident everywhere I go. I would like you to wash your hands with confidence. These are your own personal soap sticks. You don't have to worry about touching any other contaminated surfaces or soap dispensers on the wall. I have mine, get yours, protect yourself, protect your family and friends. Okay, stay safe.